Good morning, students. Today we discuss about network devices. Yesterday we studied about Wi-Fi card, NIC, hub, switch, etc. Today we learn about bridges, repeaters, gateways, routers, and access point. First we discuss bridge. Bridge is a device that operates at data link layer. Bridges are smart enough to know which computers are on which side of the bridge, so they only allow those messages that need to get to the other side to cross the bridge. A bridge is like a repeater with add-on the functionality of filtering content by reading the MAC address of source and destination. It is also used for interconnecting two LANs working on the same protocol. It has a single input and single output port, thus making it a two-port device. And repeater is a device that is used to regenerate a signal which is on its way through a communication channel. A repeater regenerates the received signal and retransmit it to its destination. So we can say that bridge is also a kind of repeater. In this way bridge works. Bridges हैं, they are connected through the PCs and then they are connected to the server. ठीक है, दो नेटवर्क्स हैं, दो नेटवर्क्स के बीच में हमने एक ब्रिज लगाया हुआ है. In this way a bridge works. Then there are two types of bridges. There are two types of bridges. First is transparent bridge and second is source routing bridge. जो ट्रांसपेरेंट ब्रिज है, and these are the bridge in which the stations are completely unaware of the bridge existence. And in source routing bridges, routing operation is performed by source station and the frame specifies which route to follow. The host can discover frame by sending a special frame called discovery frame, which spreads through the entire network using all possible paths to destination. Then we have a router. Router is also works like a bridge, and a router is a device which connects different networks frequently over a large distances. A router is a device that forward data packets between computer networks, creating an overlay inter-network. And router is connected to two or more data lines from different networks. When a data packet comes in on one of the lines, the router reads the address information in the packet to determine its ultimate destination. A data packet is typically forwarded from one router to another through the networks that constitute the internetwork until it gets to its destination node. It contains a routing table in which all information about the address of the connected networks is stored. And router works on the network layer of the OSI model, and hub set physical data link. At data link layer we use switches, and at network layer we use routers. Now types of routers, there are two types of routers. First is core router and second is provide edge router. Core router is used to connect different cities, and provide edge routers are used to connect users or hosts. Advantages of routers. Routers limits the collision domain. Router can function on both LAN and WAN, and routers can connect different media and architectures. Routers can determine the best route for data to reach the destination, and router can filter the broadcast also. Then we have gateway. Gateway is a network device that connects dissimilar networks. So we can say that gateway is an inter-network device which connects two different networks. It can be implemented on software or hardware. Being independent from protocol, it can work on any OSI layer. On home networks, your broadband router like ISPs are typically serves as a network gateways. And in home gateway is the ISP that connects the user to the internet, or you can say that your broadband router typically serves as a network gateway, and in enterprise you can treat a gateway as a proxy server, firewall or a router. So in homes, one of the object है a gateway can connect the telephone network to the internet. ये gateway है, these are your workstations or the servers, and through your telephone you can connect with the internet. And in enterprises, gateway is associated with routers as it directs the packets to its destination. On the other hand, you can use it as a proxy server and a firewall. Now, wireless access points, they are also known as access points or APs or wireless access point. It is a hardware device that establishes connection of computing devices on wireless LAN with a fixed wire network. It is a wireless LAN device and act as the center point of a standalone wireless network, or be used as the connection point between wireless and wired networks. Central communication point for wireless network users can link wired and wireless networks together, act as a central transmitter and receiver of wireless LAN radio signals. Hardware devices required for APs or access points. First is access points work at data link layer. First a built-in network adapter, antenna, radio transmitter and support Wi-Fi wireless communication standards. And the first standard that had the wireless communication standard was IEEE 802.11b. Now advantages of access points are easier to installation, easier maintenance, bigger network coverage, stable signals, ease of work, and every access point has a range of up to 150 feet from home based APIs. Connecting to the access point, this is a console port, telnet, web browser, your wired है and wireless requires associations, your laptops you are connecting through a broadband. Thank you.